Katelyn Lee. I have dreamed of this for a long time and prayed for a woman just like you. These are a few things that I want to promise to you forever, that our marriage is always rooted in the truth. It's not something that's frail or, washed away like the sand. Understanding that life is real and there's frustrating situations, but that we're on the same team, and I vow to always be in your corner for that. I vow to always pursue you in new and fun ways. Things might get a little stale, that we'll shake it up and find something new and something for us to do. Sorry, I'm really bad at this.
Drifting another state, floating above all the planes. I was searching for you. I didn't know it'd be like that. You would notice me like that.
I'll never forget the day that Katelyn first told me about Jake. It was evident that he had captured her heart, and that was no easy task. I know that your love for each other will continue to blossom with each passing year. And even when your honeymoon phase is over, I hope that you never forget how truly extraordinary it is to fall deeper in love with the same person every single day for the rest of your lives.
Everybody loves to hear the story, right, of when the groom knew she was the one. The more important one is when his best friend knew she was the one. Last year, we started an annual tradition, couples golf outing with 30 sink balls, 20 beers drank 4.5 hours later. Katelyn just goes on, you know what, guys? One day we're all gonna live on a golf course and be country club members together. That was the moment that I knew. Good job, Jake.
This is the day we have prayed for, and God has been so faithful, just as we knew He would be. Jacob Henry Hudson, today I make my love and commitment permanent. I vow to believe that our love will never fail, because His love has never failed. I vow to make you my second greatest priority, only behind loving and serving God with all my heart. I know I have found the one my soul loves, my best friend. So now, have all of me, body, soul, and spirit, and you.
Two.